Can you solve this quadratic equation, 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 is 0, using formula method? That's quadratic formula. Some people do call it almighty formula, but that's not the business for today. We have it that the formula says that x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, okay, then divided by 2a. Okay, so where do we get those points, a, b, and c? We get it that from the general standard of quadratic equation, which says that we have it that ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general standard. So we got to compare it with 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0, which is the given one. So since we are comparing with this, we have it that our a is 3. So a is equals to 3. Our b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 5. And our c is equals to minus 2. So this is the point. So we are going to use this point inside the what? Equation. So let's try to do that. We have it that x is equals to minus 5. B is now minus 5. Then plus or minus the square root of, our b is minus 5 all squared. Okay. Then minus 4 times our a is 3. And our c is what? Minus 2. Okay? Then divided by 2 times 3. Okay? So let's simplify. So at the first instance, what do we have? Minus 5 gives positive 5. So we have 5 plus or minus the square root of minus 5 squared is minus 5 times minus 5, which is plus 25. Then minus 4 times 3 is minus 12. Minus 12 times minus 2 is what? Plus 24. You have plus 24 divided by 6. So this will give you 25 plus 24 is 49. So this will give you 5 plus or minus 49 all squared, then divided by 6. Okay? Now we take the square root of 49, which is 7. So what do we have? We have it as 5 plus 7 plus or minus 7 over 6. So for us to actually get the value of x can only be the two possible solutions. 5 plus 7 over 6 for the positive solution, or 5 minus 7 over 6. Okay, 5 plus 7 over 6 is basically what? 12 over 6. Or we say 5 and this will give you minus 2 over 6. And you basically know that 12 over 6 is 2. So x is equals to what? 2. Or we say that 2 divided 1, 2 divided 3. So we have it as negative 1 over 3. So this is the two possible solutions for x in this quadratic equation. So you have to like, share, and comment. Goodbye.